In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a developer tab in Microsoft Excel so that you can start recording macros and working with VBA in Microsoft Excel. Now, first of all, if you want to access the VBA menu, you can always press Alt and F11, and that will open this Microsoft Visual Basic for Application window where you can start adding your macros and writing your code. But if you don't see the developer tab over here, then you have to go to the File menu and click on Options, and from here, from this Excel Options menu, we're going to go to the Customize Ribbon option from here, and from the right we have a bunch of options, and you can see that in here the Developer tab is unchecked, and so I'm going to check it, hit OK, and now here it is. Now I'm able to record macros, insert different buttons, go into design mode, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button if this was useful to you, and see you next time.